Garmin Venu 4 versus Pixel Watch 4 versus Galaxy Watch 8 versus Apple Watch Series 11. Avoid buyer's remorse, only one of these watches is perfect for you. Regarding price, the Venu 4 justifies its higher cost with specialized features, while Pixel and Galaxy offer the most budget-friendly entries. Now, let's explore the crucial battery and performance distinctions. In daily use, the Garmin Venu 4's endurance is simply unrivaled, a key feature for anyone who despises daily charging routines. With low power mode, Garmin's longevity becomes its superpower, making it the sole reliable option for long trips off the grid. For GPS-only tracking, the Venu 4's superiority shines, a testament to its design for athletes who need marathon-level battery performance. Even with both GPS and music running, Garmin maintains its advantage, while the others still provide ample power for typical workout sessions. The Pixel Watch 4 gets back to full power the quickest, a significant convenience for a device that needs more frequent charging. Shifting to storage, the Apple Watch Series 11 offers a vast 64 gigabytes, perfect for those who want a massive offline library. All four models are powered by advanced, modern processors, which guarantees you'll get a consistently fluid and responsive user experience. Next, let's examine the vital display differences at a glance. All are water-resistant to 50 meters, but Garmin and Apple provide the best protection for activities like surface snorkeling. While all feature vibrant OLEDs, the Pixel and Apple Watches use smarter LTPO panels, which actively help to preserve your battery life. In terms of durability, the Galaxy and Apple Watches take the edge with sapphire crystal, offering much better scratch protection in daily use. The Pixel and Galaxy watches boast the brightest displays, a critical advantage for maintaining excellent readability under intense direct sunlight. Apple's Watch Series 11 delivers the highest screen resolution, making all text and graphics appear noticeably sharper and more detailed. Apple also secures the highest pixel density here, which further enhances its premium display with incredibly crisp and lifelike watch faces. Here we compare design, build quality, and overall comfort. The Apple Watch stands apart with its premium titanium construction, providing an unmatched combination of toughness and lightweight feel. While every watch has good straps, Galaxy and Apple offer far more variety, winning for users who prioritize style and personalization options. The Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 is the lightest of the group, ensuring it remains incredibly comfortable for wearing all day and overnight. Samsung also delivers the thinnest watch with the Galaxy Watch 8, giving it a sleek, low-profile design that won't catch on clothing. Case dimensions are very similar across the board, meaning your final decision here will likely be based on your personal style preference. Stay for this, these features could make one watch perfect for you. Pixel and Apple lead with future-proof UWB technology, essential for advanced features like digital car keys and precision device finding. Once again, with 64 gigabytes, the Apple Watch is the definitive winner, ideal for anyone who wants a massive phone-free music library. All four models support their native contactless payment platforms, giving you a secure and remarkably convenient way to pay from your wrist. Each model has a deeply integrated voice assistant, though they perform best when kept within their own Google or Apple ecosystem. The Galaxy Watch 8 is the only one here with a programmable action button, a huge plus for instantly accessing your favorite function. All tracked health well, but Pixel and Galaxy take the lead with unique stress, body composition, and blood pressure sensors. Ultimately, Garmin's specialized training metrics give it the final edge, solidifying its position as the top choice for serious athletes. I hope this detailed breakdown helps you make a confident choice. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you in the next comparison.